Today we'll talk about how can you enable views on your Trace app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications, you just click on it, you come to next step here, come here to traits and replace, just click on it here, you come to this list, then you go down, just keep going down here, you come here to views, so just click here on, so that like you see views enabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.